To create an HTML email campaign, the first thing we want to do is decide what we want the campaign to look like. Online Outbox comes with many templates for you to choose from if you would like. So the easiest way to choose your template is to go to the top right, and we'll see templates here. We'll see a few options: custom email templates, create a custom template, or view built-in email templates. This is what we'll look for right now. We'll click that link, view built-in templates, and you'll see several templates here below that that may meet what you're looking for. So very good. And there's some great looking templates in here for you to use if you so desire. If you find one that you like, let's say we like tomatoes, so we'll look under the food category, and this is called juicy. So that's how that works. So we're going to go back up to the top. I'll go home. I'm going to go to email campaigns and create an email campaign. First we'll want to name that email campaign, and this is just something that you will see, your subscribers will not. So we're just going to do demo email campaign built-in template. And then we'll scroll down. This box here is called email template. We can scroll through our categorized templates for the one that we found that we liked. So we were looking in the food category, and then our exact template was called juicy. And we'll see that just as confirmation over here. We'll click next, and we'll see that it will pull that HTML template into here for us to modify. First thing we want to do is to create our email subject, and our email subject may be whatever. Do you like tomatoes? And here again we can begin typing whatever we want. Here we can type a company slogan if we wanted. We'll see pictures here. We can change those pictures if we so desired by clicking the image. We can remove it, or we can click somewhere else and add an image, whatever. That image button is right here. We can also begin typing here. Hi. Friend. And then just by simply clicking around and typing what you want to happen in that email, you can literally make this look like exactly what you want. Once we've done that, go down below, and you'll notice this is the HTML content box. So people with an HTML email client will be able to see the email that looks like this. People that do not have an HTML email client, for instance, people reading this on their phones sometimes will get this in a text-only format. People on Hotmail or AOL or Bell South, etc., they may get this in text format. So we want to make that as easy as possible for them to get our message. I'm going to click down at this button down at the very bottom of this large box, the text content box, and I'll click Get Text Content from Editor. And the box down at the bottom will pull the text from the HTML box down to the text email box. So if somebody does get the text version of your email, they're going to see the exact same content that you have in the HTML newsletter, but without the HTML. So that's an easy way to do that. Next, we can use attachments. I recommend that you don't use attachments. Certain email clients or internet service providers will block emails with attachments, or they'll deliver them to the junk folder. So it's not a great idea to use attachments, but feel free if your specific purposes require that. Then email validation, you can check your email for spam. I'm going to click that, and we are checking, and it says does not break any spam rules. If our email did contain specific words that spammers use often, such as free or opportunity or deal, then those words would be listed here. It would give us a spam score out of 5. The higher that score, the less likely that email will be delivered. So it's a pleasure. It's a balancing act between, you don't have to have an exact 0, but you do want to keep that score as low as possible. And we have an exact 0, so that's very good. And email client compatibility. We can actually view our emails in different email client programs. We can see what something would look like in AOL, or somebody receiving the email on Gmail or a Hotmail or in Outlook. So if you see something you don't like in one of these, you can go back and change that. Some tips are down here on the left sidebar, so that's just to help you format your email so that it is readable by the largest number of subscribers. Next, I just close that tab. I'm back here on the Edit Campaign menu. Miscellaneous options, activate email campaign, and archive. We'll check both of those. And here we can preview our campaign if we so desire. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to save and exit.